In this video, we will show you how to improve the user experience on a Galaxy A55 by modifying the font size for better readability and customizing the font style to match your personal taste. Here's how you can do it. First, pull up the app drawer and select Settings. Scroll down a bit and select Display. On the following screen, locate and select Font Size and Style. Next, tap on Font Style and choose from the fonts that are pre-installed on your device. If you wish to add more variety, you can download additional fonts. Simply tap Download Fonts and pick from the variety of fonts available in the Galaxy Store. Once you've downloaded your chosen font, you can find it among the other fonts on your device. To adjust the size of the font, simply slide the font size slider to the right to enlarge it or to the left to reduce it. You can refer to the preview above to see how the font will appear on your device. Additionally, you can activate the bold font option to make the names of the apps and menus appear more prominent. And that's how you can modify the font size and style on your Galaxy A55. We hope this guide has been of assistance to you. Thank you for watching.